right in the balls.
There's one up there in the left side in the corner. I'm sure they will come out of that.
Marshall!
Thank you.
Oh,
Green. Green. Wow. Come on the stairs. Thanks, Jake. Come up that stairs.
where's the green policeman?
Straight across diagonally from me.
That's still on for that.
No, that was semi-auto.
Is it?
Yeah.
Sounded like a shot too.
Just shooting at me for some reason.
That's all you know. One guy shooting.
Do something epic. Do something epic.
Oh shit! Damn man!
Is Paul down there? I'll tell Josh and he'll fix it after this.
Garrett, they're not going to like you.
Sound single. That's my fault. Guys, just remember, semi-close waters, full on, only the full length of the corridor.